Welcome back to FAFO Fridays with me, the Ballistic Machinist, and today we're going to be going over the functionality of the P365 with the 9mm interceptors. Don't forget to head to ballisticmachinist.com and sign up for our newsletter to make sure that you stay up to date on all the newest releases, and don't forget, always shoot cool shit. So, on my website, I have a note under the transparency that says that there is a ejection issue with the P365, and it is only when you are racking it slowly to unload that, or to unload it for the night. It functions fine, it shoots fine, it cycles fine, everything works perfectly fine. But when you unload your gun to clean it, or to put it away for storage, if you rack it slowly, the round can get hung up. And it's because of the small, compact nature of the P365, where they've shrunk everything down to make it a compact pistol. We've had 2 customers reach out to us stating this, and this is why I put it as a section on the transparency part of the website. But recently, I've had one of the keyboard warriors out there leaving a bunch of comments on my videos saying, oh, well, by your own admission, it doesn't work in the P365. That's not the case. We're going to be showing some footage of it here at the range, showing that it does work. But this guy wanted to leave all these comments trying to say that I admit that it does not work in the P365, and it does. He even went so far as to badmouth my grammar in my messages. Anybody who's been around my channel or my social media for any length of time knows that I'm dyslexic and things get spelled wrong and there's bad grammar. Take it or leave it. It's what it is. But anyways, we'll throw a video in. I don't know if it's going to be over top of me right now or off to the side. I'll figure that out when I get to editing. But here's a video of loading a magazine and running 10 rounds. So this next video clip, we simulated a stovepipe, because that's another thing that the keyboard warrior stated was, oh, if you have a stovepipe, you can't clear it? Well, yeah, you can. Here's a video. We're going. Here's a video clip of clearing a Misfire. This wasn't a Misfire because we just shot 2 rounds, racked one out, and shot 2 more rounds. So here's a video clip of that. And now we get into the last section, well, second to last section. I show here in a video somewhere of me racking the slide and racking out 4 or 5, I forget how many we did in the video, fully loaded rounds. And if you rack it like you're racking the slide to clear a malfunction, they come out just fine. There is no issue. It's only when you slowly rack the slide, trying to catch the round, unloading it for nighttime, storage, cleaning, whatever reason you're unloading a fully loaded round. Now, this next clip, I tried racking it slowly and actually struggled to get it to jam up. But I finally did, and then I show you guys the video. Or I show it to you when it's jammed in the video. So, my recommendation, if you're going to run the 9mm interceptors in a Sig P365, when you go to unload a fully loaded round for cleaning, storage, whatever, drop your magazine, rack your slide slowly, and let it fall out through the mag well. That in no way means that if your life depends on it, it will not function. Because I've just shown videos to prove that the 9mm interceptor functions in the Sig P365. I have actually been looking into building a P365 for me to carry to protect my family and to protect myself. If I'm willing to build one and put the money into it to protect me and mine, that says something. Anyway, I hope you found this video informational and that it proves without a reasonable doubt that the 9mm interceptors work in the Sig P365. So thank you for watching, and don't forget, always shoot cool shit.